Hello and welcome back to another Kit in 60 Seconds. Today I'm going to be taking you through the phone tripod. So you need a phone of some kind, but also the phone tripod itself. It comes in a nifty little bag like this, which we can open up. And inside should be a phone clip or a phone mount, as well as the phone tripod itself. So we're just going to take it out of the bag, move the phone off to the side. And whilst you're waiting, just plop open the legs and place it down in front of you. These legs you can actually use the clips to extend or shorten depending on the height you need your phone to be. But just going back to the phone, we're going to take the clip and the phone itself, and we're going to use the spring-loaded action in this mount to attach it to our phone so it's nice and secure. Make sure it's not pressing any buttons, or so sort of the volume button or the power button, because we don't want it to accidentally turn off or go wrong. But just place it off to the side. Then on the tripod itself there should be a lever and a series of different dials. This lever at the back, if you loosen it anti-clockwise, will allow you to sort of tilt up and down. You can just re-tighten that clockwise to make it all secure. I'm just going to flip it towards myself. On the back of this is a black lever that you can pull towards you. If you pull that towards you, you will release the plate at the top, and we can actually attach this to our phone, which will have it sit nice and securely at the top of our phone tripod. So just flip it upside down, connect the screw and the screw port at the bottom, using your fingers to tighten up this small dial at the bottom, nice and secure, and then release that lever again, place it into the phone tripod, and then close it off. Give it a little wiggle and it won't move about.